So in this video I'm going to show how to listen music in ChatGPT. So first of all you need to go to this link, this website called labs.withgoogle.com. So if we go there, we can see under music LM, click on the join waitlist button. The waitlist only takes a day or two, then you will get an invitation to access music LM. You can see here, this is the website labs.withgoogle.com. Try Google's latest experiment in labs. So how it works: be an early tester, get access to limited availability experiments and all those other things. So you can join the waitlist here, express yourself with AI powered music compose. Just click on join waitlist. Then after that you can see once they accept your waiting list, you can create your own music and you can enter a song description into text prompt, listen to the song it generates for you, and you can also download or share the track it generates with the three dots on the right. You can see there. There you go. You can just type something and it will create a song for you, and you can basically just listen to the song in ChatGPT. So this is pretty insane. So this is how you can listen music with ChatGPT. Thanks for watching.